got? What do I got? I'm here fishing. I'm here fishing. Oh, oh, oh. It's a red, babe. Yeah. Heck yeah. Woo woo. Look at that. We have. Got the bottom shrimp now. Probably a little redfish. Uh-oh, man. Oh, this wind is not helping. Yeah, I'm good on that. Thrill the Gills got a puffer. Look at that. A little puff puff.
Oh, it went through his nose.
I think I got a fish on here at Reedy. Let's see. Oh, something jumped over there. Oh, there's definitely something. I think it's a puffer. If I could ever get it in. Oh, it came off. Felt like a little puffer. Looks like a little puffer from the way he's eating it. Look at that. Alright, back out it goes. We're gonna get something out here. Well, Thrill the Gills got something. I'm gonna get something out here. Got to. It's too pretty out here not to. Birds are flying. Weather's pretty. Tide isn't absolutely ripping like it normally is out here. So, yeah. Oh, my rod's going off again. Yep. Someone's playing with it. Probably a little puffer. I think I got him that. Yep, I got him that time. Why does it feel so light though? Hard to tell with these little. Yeah, it came off. It's like they're getting stuck in some kind of weird sandbar thing right there. But I can definitely tell it's 100% puffer fish. And that's because if you look at this shrimp, it's got all sorts of little chunks taken out of it, like a puffer fish would. That are some pins. Alright, back out we go. I really think that this place would be a beautiful, I think this place would be a beautiful place to do like a, I'm not a big artist or anything, but a watercolor. Kind of cool to paint a big old portrait of this and hang it up in the house, wouldn't it? It's so pretty out here. Every time I come out here. I think it is a steamboat.
It is a steamboat.
See the big stack in the front?
I thought it was a steamboat.
That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen a steamboat like that.
Big Odie. He's a nice size pin.
He is. Probably the biggest pin of the year.
Yeah. All right. Nice pin.
There he goes. Oh no! Wait, yeah, it is.
It's just a small pin. We got big pin.
Yep. Coming in on the pinfish. Is it a sign that we should use them as cut bait?
That's our
know what? Should I use them?
Throw them back. If we catch another one, we use them.
Yeah, you're lucky. You're very lucky. Rip. Rod's loading up. It's got a good bow to it. Whatever it is, it's fighting. It is fighting decent. Especially if it's a pin. That's a ferocious pin. Oh!
It's a sea bass and a pin.
It's a pigfish.
Oh, pigfish. A sea bass and a pigfish.
That's a sea robin.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, sea robin. My bad. Oh,
What?
look at that. He's big too.
Yeah, that's a big sea
I
robin.
ain't never seen a big one.
See his little fingers?
I do.
These are really cool looking fish. Look at his wings. They walk on the bottom with these little feet. Just watch out for his top spikes. Oh, look, he's got red on top of his head. That's cool. That's a cool looking fish.
Alright, we got a sea robin. A nice one.
Let's not let the pigfish hang out here too long. Yeah, different species here. Look at that. Pigfish. He's not pigging. He's not oinking. But here you go. A sea robin. How about that? And there are bottom dwelling fish that he's probably just gonna chill right there. Look, you can see him walk with his feet actually if you look hard enough. If he wants to walk. No, he's just chilling. Oh, something's still bouncing. Yeah. There we go. That is a spot. A nice size spot. Oh. What's going off? Man, I still can't get over how pretty it is out here. Yeah. Another spot.
You want me to give it to him?
Yeah, if you want. You want me to unhook it or you want to unhook it?
I'll unhook it.
I know they said they wanted every one that we get. Well, you can barely see me, but we're going to go ahead and wrap it up today. Been kind of a slower day, but you know, we did get on some fish, so wasn't too bad. Still was a nice day. It was a little bit chilly, but I'm not complaining. See you guys later. Thank you.